So how to have a fun but yet enriching summertime with your young children at home. So this is a summer school weekly plan in which you can put your week, your goals for your children, reading goals, special trips and events, and then you can just list out all the activities and things that you want to do. So I'll make sure I link this right below. Another cool weekly activity you want to do with your children this summer is assigning book bins. And so each of my children have their own book bin of a focus. So this is my preschooler's book bin. So I try to include books in here of things we're working on. So like retelling stories and patterns and books that I want to introduce. And same thing with my toddler who's learning about animals and animal identification. Another really cool way to incorporate part of your weekly schedule is get a book. Like we got Swimmy this week, and take the book and jot down all the activities you can think of, where maybe you're going to a pond or lake, or maybe you're creating pictures and drawings to go with the story, and make connections. And you can have a book of the week every week or books of the week. So this is just a daily journal that you can ask questions, take on nature walks, let them scribble, color. If they're writing, they can write their words, or you can write their words for them on the line. And if they're already practicing handwriting, they can do that too. All right, guys, so this is a Teach My Preschooler Learning Kit. It says that it teaches reading, printing, numbers 1 to 100, and math. It comes in this little case. And let's open it up. So, when you open it, you will find little bags like this. And this is the printing. So the printing has letters, alphabet, lowercase and uppercase letters. And it also has numbers. And it comes with this little writing board here. And children can begin to learn how to write letters. Now we're going to open up numbers. And so in here we have numbers 1 to 100. We have numbers 1 to 100. Now it's important, just because it's numbers 1 to 100, if you're just working on numbers 1 through 10, it's just focus on that. And they have these little phone numbers and you can do some matching. So remember, children develop at their own pace. So don't feel like you have to go all the way to 100 in the beginning. Another thing you might want to include that we're going to start is our summer reading log, where children can either color every time a book is read, or they can pull stickers and put it on their reading log. But make sure that you are here next week. Hit that like and subscribe button, because I am going to be sharing the #1 summer theme that if you have a toddler, a preschooler, a kindergartner, even a first grader, you want to make sure that you're doing this theme this summer. It's free, it's for children, it's enriching, it's fun. So make sure you stay tuned next week. But let me know right now in the chat below, how are you planning out your summer? Are you just gonna wing it each day? Are you gonna get the weekly plan? Are you gonna jot things down? How are you organizing your day, and what key concepts do you want to focus in on this summer?